Okay, so here's question number 9. We have to work out the value of a, and we've got this craziness going on up here. Okay, so we've got square root of 6 squared plus 8 squared equals to cube root of 125a cubed, and it's a 4-mark question. So let's begin. I'll first start by working out what the 6 squared is. So 6 squared is 6 times 6, which is 36. I'm going to add that to 8 squared, 8 times 8, which is 64. And that equals to a cube root 125a cubed, okay? Now I'm going to add 36 and 64 together, which gives you 100. So we have now square root of 100 is equals to a cube root of 125a cubed, okay? Square root of 100 is 10. So 10 is equals to cube root of 125a cubed. Now, the opposite of cube rooting something is cubing it. So we're going to cube both sides of the equation. So now we will have 10 cubed is equals to 125a cubed, okay? And 10 cubed is just 10 times 10 times 10, which is 1,000. So 1,000 is equals to 125a cubed. Now we'll just divide both sides of the equation by 125 because I want to get rid of this 125 in front of my a cubed. So I'll divide 1,000 by 125, which equals to a cubed. I'll go on the other side now. So 1,000 divided by 125 is 8. So 8 is equals to a cubed. And now I will cube root both sides of the equation because the opposite of cubing something is cube rooting. So I'll cube root 8, which will equal a. So that means 2 is equals to a, and I like to write the letter first, so a is equals to 2, okay? Because 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, so your answer would be a is equal to 2, okay?